G'day foodies, I'm Matthew and this is Matthew's Culinary Corner, where we dive into Mum's treasured cookbooks and add a dash of global flair. So picture this, Mum's worn out quiche recipe scribbled with love. And those raspberry buns we grew up with as kids, they were like sweet kisses from the oven. Oh, and the chocolate eclairs, pure magic. So here's the deal, Matthew's Culinary Corner isn't just about recipes, it's about celebrating the art of creating memories. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned pro, you're in for a treat. So, ready to whisk up some nostalgia? We'll explore flavours from Aotearoa to Italy, from Mum's secret garden to bustling Parisian patisseries. You can expect step-by-step guides, kitchen hacks and a sprinkle of laughter, because cooking isn't just science, it's soulful storytelling. So do me a favour, hit the subscribe button, grab your apron. Let's whip up Mum's classics alongside global delights. From quiche Lorraine to spicy Thai curries, we've got your taste buds covered. And remember, every dish carries a piece of our heart, so welcome to Matthew's Culinary Corner, where recipes meet memories.